forget to smash that subscribe button.
So in this video, we kind of have a surprising turn of events. I ended up dropping my GoPro, or rather breaking the mount, tapped the GoPro mount with the paddle, knocked it into the water in probably like 6-7 feet of water. I got this rad Outrigger canoe, this amazingly awesome Outrigger canoe, and took it out to test out some Julian, make sure that we could dump this thing and get back into it with no problem. And that was all going well and fine. And then it turned into a GoPro recovery. Well, you'll see what happened. Check this out. Let's get out here and we will test out and try a couple Huli. See if I can show you how it's done. All right, we're out here. We're gonna make sure we know how to Huli. Always one of those important things is to test. Let's do maybe a deep water Huli here. We got some nice clean water here. We probably got some current. Simulates a little bit more real world conditions. A little further away from shore. Here we go. Just like that. Get your paddle. I like the resting it on the Ama. It certainly helps. Maybe we'll go for a swim. In the interest of fully experiencing the water and all that it has to offer, let's get wet. Oh shoot. There goes the GoPro. Good thing we got some diving gear. We're gonna go down and get that thing. All right, we're at the beach. Let's see if we can find this thing. Fucking way. Is that it? No fucking way. Oh man. Dude, we got it. No way. It still works. That just came off the sea. I cannot believe that I just found that thing. That is absolutely amazing. And it still works. It's been under what, like 6 or 7 feet of water for at least like 6 hours. That was at like 1:30, and it's now 11 o'clock. Amazing. Thank you, GoPro, for, geez, not even in a waterproof case. That's just a GoPro 10.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.
If you enjoy our content, please think about liking and subscribing. This is a fun hobby and great thing for me and my kids to do, and we really enjoy it a lot. And the more subscribers that we have, well, the more cool projects we can justify doing. So give us those numbers, help us out with those numbers, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.